I'm about to show you step by step how anybody can start making over $3,000 a day selling products online without spending any money on paid advertising or posting 20 videos on TikTok every single day. We'll be using email marketing, and if you follow along, you'll be able to build a list of subscribers who keep coming back to buy your products over and over again. The more emails you capture, the more money you'll make. My name's Alex if you're new, and without wasting any time, let's get right into it. So with email marketing, your goal is to build up a list of email subscribers who are ready to buy your products and interested in your brand. Many times these are your previous customers who had a good experience the first time around, and that's what you need to make sure of. You need to make sure you're sending out high quality products with fast shipping, otherwise these customers will never purchase from you again. I'll show you an example. This was from a brand new store with only about 5,000 subscribers at the time, but I crafted up a really good email, sent it out, and it made over $3,000 in just a few hours. And I'll show you guys how to make emails just like that. So there's two things you should be doing if you want to build up a list of email subscribers really fast. Number one, you should create a sign up form to be displayed on your website, offering some sort of an incentive or a discount in exchange for your customer's email address. This can be 10% off their first order, buy one, get one free, free shipping, any offer that you're comfortable with giving away. Test it out on there and see which one converts the best. I'll show you how to create sign-up forms in just a moment. Number two, there's an option on your Shopify checkout settings where you can pre-select your email marketing box at checkout for your customers to where they have to opt out if they don't want to receive emails from you. Many customers miss this, and this will automatically sign them up for your email list. So you want to continue acquiring new customers and generating sales from the methods you're currently using, whether this is paid advertising like Facebook, TikTok ads, Google ads, or you're posting organic videos and generating sales through viral content or influencer marketing, or any mix of the three. But you want to make sure you're capturing the email address of every customer you acquire or every potential customer that lands on your website. This way you can market to them time and time again and sell new products as you release them, or even get them to come back and purchase the same products over and over again. Now let's break down the numbers. Say you guys have an email list of 30,000 subscribers. This might seem like a lot, but it's really not. This can be done in just a couple of months. Say you're selling a $60 product on your store and you send out an email and only 1% of your customers convert. That's $18,000 from just sending one email. Now you want to be sending out a few promotional emails each and every week. That way you can resell to your best customers and weed out those who aren't interested in your brand. Now let's go over creating sign-up forms and actually sending out promotional emails to your customers. The app we'll be using in this video is Omnisend. Omnisend has a free plan available with every feature you're gonna need, and you can always upgrade as you go. I'll leave a link for you down below. Click on that link and it'll take you to this page right here. You're gonna select Connect Your Store, and you're gonna integrate directly with Shopify. Once you create an account and get set up with Omnisend, you're gonna select Forms right up here at the top. You're gonna select Preview and Launch Form right here. You guys can fully customize the pop-up form that displays on your website. You can offer them 10% off. You can offer them buy one, get one free, any type of offer that you want to. You can create a step number 2 right here to capture their phone numbers for SMS marketing, or you can just delete it right here. You'll also want to customize your success message, and when you're done, select enable right up here at the top. So this pop-up form will display to everybody that visits your website in order to capture their emails. So once you guys create a sign-up form and start capturing emails from your customers, you're gonna want to start sending out promotional emails a few times a week. This can be for certain holidays or events, product releases, or just random flash sales throughout the week. You guys want to be creative with this. The more emails that you send out, the more sales you'll make. So to send out a promotional email, you're going to click campaign right up here at the top. You're going to create email campaign right here. You're going to create a subject line, fill out your sender's name, your sender email address, your pre-header, your campaign name, that's for internal use so you can track all of your emails and see how they perform. Then you're gonna choose an email template down here. Scroll through all of these templates until you find one that matches the theme that you wanna go with. So we'll offer a discount for an example. Now you guys can customize everything to do with this email. You can add some of your own product listings, videos, images. You can add your logo up here at the top, customize all of these headings, whatever discount you want to offer. You guys can see all of these different options over here on the left-hand side. When you guys have your email done and ready to go, you're going to select save and choose recipients right up here at the top. So right here you choose if you want to send your email to all of your subscribers or if you want to send it to certain segments within your list. Once you're done with that, you're gonna review your campaign right here, and you're gonna go ahead and send it out. Now, if you guys go over here to dashboard and overview, you can actually track how your emails are performing. You guys can see your sales performance from your campaigns and your automations, how much revenue your store's generating through email marketing. You can see your audience growth, your new email subscribers, your new SMS subscribers. You guys can sort through any time frame that you would like to. You can look at today, yesterday, this week, the last 7 days, the last 30 days, last month, and you can use this data to make decisions moving forward. Now, you guys can actually increase your open rates, your click rates, and your conversions by using an AI tool like ChatGPT to come up with subject lines, offers to test, or any other variations of your email. Be specific with your prompts. You want to talk directly to your niche down audience. So if you follow these exact steps, you'll be able to build an email list with tens of thousands of subscribers who are ready to buy from your brand. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you right away. I also have a free course to help you get started and make your first few sales, linked in the description below. And if you found any value in this video, consider leaving a like, sharing with others, and subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.